Hello everyone. For this video, I'm going to talk about the content services in AEM 6.4. And here is the agenda for today. First, I'm going to explain content fragment. How do we author the content fragment? How to create content service JSON from the content fragment. We all know that AEM provides content fragments as part of the content services. And this content fragments data can be accessed in the form of JSON to any third-party applications like single-page application or mobile apps. So we are going to see a demo of this application now. Let me log into the AEM. So I had created content fragment in my previous videos. So let me go and edit it. So I'm going to work with the sample fragment. Let us go and see what it contains. As you can see, I have a master variation, which is just a text format. And I have a variation 1, which talks, this is a mobile variation. And a variation 2 for the tablet. So as you see, the images are different. So this time I'm going to do a demo on the content services part. So let me go and author a content services page, create that page in the vRetail. I'll select content page template. Since I have used the default vRetail template, you can see the page has all the title, footer and all. So in case in the real projects, we need to create a separate template and author. So let me author a content fragment here. I'll configure that. Select my content fragment, which is sample fragment. I'll tell, okay, master variation. Let me go and add variation 2. This time I'll add variation 1. So if you see the preview, you can see that the content fragment is authored on this page. You'll not be worried about the look and feel of this page. We have just authored to ensure that we are having the content fragment JSON generated. So how do I access this JSON now? In the URL part, I just need .model.json appended. Here's the JSON rendered from that page. You can see we have a root, wherein all the content fragments are authored. Under item, responsive grid, we have items. Under items, we have the content fragment. This is a sample fragment with the main. And if we come down, we have the tablet version. We have the mobile version. So this is how we generate the JSON format of a content fragment using the JSON exporter provided by AEM. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.